Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X3 SuperZoom, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, we will need to open up the Contacts standalone app, skip this, and from here tap on the three bars and go to Settings, and you will find Import, choose from SIM card, and this will show up all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. So from here you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and once you satisfied with everything, tap on the check mark right here, and this will import every selected contact. If we go back, you can see that there they are. There's two contacts imported, and yeah, that is how you would import contacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.